People think that YouTube is just for kids, influencers, and people with big personalities. But here's the thing, you don't have to be tech savvy, you don't have to show your face on camera, and you don't have to be young to do this. In fact, if you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, you actually might be better positioned to do this than anyone else because you have wisdom, patience, and you understand long-term thinking. This video will break down why YouTube automation is the best business model for you and why you've been sleeping on one of the best opportunities that exist in 2025. So let's get right into it. So if you're still working a 9 to 5 in your 40s, 50s, 60s, you're not alone, but that path ends ugly, all right? Most of you guys are saying the exact same thing. You want freedom, not just survival. You're already tired and burnt out with what you're doing, and you don't want to start over in a career that you hate. And so this is probably you frustrated, doing Zoom calls and reporting to people that you don't love. And the reality is in 2025, there is an epidemic of layoffs, ageism, retirement gaps, and people having no backup plan. Because let's face it, here's the thing. It has been harder to find a job above the age of 40. There's no avoiding that. There's even a Forbes article that shows that employees around the world are facing job security crisis. Over 35,000 people have shown to not have the ability to find a job due to specific things like ageism and layoff. You're even seeing not hundreds, but thousands of posts online with people struggling and expressing their frustrations because they literally cannot find work due to their age. And I've had multiple students that have expressed this to me. I have one who is from Spain, a teacher of 35 years, who wanted to create another income stream for herself, but the government does not allow you to have two income streams. If they find you to have two income streams while you're a government employee, a teacher, they will actually fire you from your job and fine you, potentially even send you to jail for having two income streams. And so her life turned into an ultimatum, which is to continue doing teaching job, which is not able to support her financially, or quit and do something else. She ended up deciding that she valued herself and her future. She quit her job, went all in on YouTube automation. And now she's using YouTube automation as a vehicle to supplement her income when her job couldn't. Another example is Rose. Rose is a single mom in her 60s who is struggling deeply, who's now able to make thousands of dollars from her channel, not knowing anything about social media or even technology itself. And I'll explain that to you, all right? So she came to me with a huge dilemma. She had not much money, she had no technical skills, and she had zero experience in this entire business model. I had to actually help her get rid of some viruses on her computer so she could use them and create a Gmail because she was still using MSN. And so yes, there was quite a bit of friction helping her get this channel started and making money, but here she is, fast forward 1 year, she's able to make $5,000 a month from the comfort of her home. She literally travels with her nephew every single other month, barely even does the business model anymore, mind you. She literally lets this thing run completely passive and the income just keeps on coming in because of the systems that she has set up. And that's her reality because she was actually dealing with ageism herself. She was extremely overqualified based on all of her schooling, all her certificates that she had, and nobody wanted to pay her because her age. They would rather go for people that were younger, less experienced, and much more moldable and could pay a lot less. And so she was stuck to having to work two jobs, two basically minimum wage jobs just to get by until recently where she was able to quit her jobs and live off of YouTube full time. This is why I'm saying YouTube automation is one of the most powerful methods to make income online where you can either supplement your income or completely replace your job just from the comfort of your home by creating videos online for other people to watch and consume. So why does YouTube automation fit better than any other business model? This is why I say this business model is made for people in their 40s, 50s, and 60s, all right? First thing is that there is no face needed, all right? You don't need to show your face. I don't show my face on my channels. My students don't show their face on their channels. There's no client contact. Nobody wants to be sitting here talking to clients all day, selling people, cold calls, customer service, none of that stuff, all right? There's no direct contact because we don't sell things, we don't talk to people. There's no creativity. And I know this sounds crazy, but the more creative you are, actually the less money you'll probably make because you try and reinvent the wheel. And the people that don't reinvent the wheel, they look at what's working and they just double down on it, are the people that do make the most money. So you don't have to be creative to do this. You also are able to make passive income because once you post a video once, it keeps on making money. It's a revolving wheel of income. These videos never get shut down. As long as there's interest in that topic, the video will continue to get views. And as it gets views, there will be ads that are played on your videos. And we get paid every single time an ad is played. We get compensated. And then we have tech skills. Like I said, Rose and all my other students, they didn't come into this business model with tech skills. I don't work with professionals who already know how to make videos. I teach them and nobody comes on knowing anything. The next thing is no shipping. There's no products for us to ship. There's nothing physical here. We don't sell anything. No one ever pulls their wallet out and pays with their credit card. They literally just give us their time and we get paid and compensated in exchange for that time. And this is complete part-time work. Nobody comes into this and just does a full-time job that they have and then this is a full-time job. No. This is complete part-time. My students are working 1 to 2 hours a day up until a few months in where they start streamlining and automating everything. And that goes down to about 3 to 4 hours a week. And so guys, I'm telling you, it actually gets easier at your age. And hear me out, all right? I believe that you're able to leverage your age as an advantage, all right? Number one, I truly believe that you're able to make better content simply because your life experience that you have enhances the storytelling depth, the deepened understanding of a specific niche, and just the maturity of what you create will be significantly higher than someone who's younger than you. The second thing is that you're able to have faster execution, meaning your speed to implementation is typically going to be much faster than somebody who's new and young and not as hungry as you, all right? So this is why I truly believe, and I see this with my students, that the people that are in their 40s to 60s, they're hustlers. They're hustling hard because number one, they need it. And number two, this is an opportunity that never existed for them in the past. And so when my students see this opportunity, they truly understand how lucrative it is and how life-changing it can be for them, they take action. The speed to implementation is incredibly quick, all right? And the third thing is that it's a quiet cash flowing machine, all right? This privately ensures steady income without the whole fame, all right? Nobody in their 40s, nobody cares about the fame stuff, not even myself. This is not about getting famous. This is about building a sustainable and scalable income machine that works for you around the clock. And the fourth one is that it's less distraction, all right? Typically, the intention of why you do this is very different than someone who's younger, and maybe they have more superficial goals than you do. So because you are doing this to sustain your life, to be able to take care of your family, your friends, your kids, your nephews, that is going to incline you to work significantly harder because you know you're doing this for different purposes. So I believe that all four of these reasons, amongst everything else I mentioned, is really what attributes to this being one of the most incredible business models for somebody in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. All right. Now let's move on. How can you guys launch a channel in 5 steps? The first step is actually having no channel and no videos. That's where everybody starts off right here. Broke, no money, and that's just the beginning part. All right. The second part is you want to choose a niche. Now, what I'm actually going to do for you guys, if you click the first link in the description, it's going to take you to my free school community where I've developed an entire mini course where you can go through all these modules and get a very, very good idea of exactly how to start this business model from scratch, choose your niche, put your team together. And if you go over here to niche selection, you'll see a list of 60 winning niches that I've compiled. And this is based on data. All right. Data that proves that these niches are actually working niches. They're not saturated. They're not too competitive. These are niches that have 100% success rate across all my students. And I'm giving this list to you guys for free. Because at the end of the day, if you find yourself in the wrong niche, in the wrong vehicle, you might find yourself not making any money at all. So if you use this list, you already have a very unfair advantage over everybody else. The third step is to find viral videos, to find videos that have demand. This is a complete supply and demand business model. It follows the same economics as supply and demand. So you just need to find the demand and create the supply. And again, if you watch my free course, you'll learn exactly how to do this for yourself. The fourth step is script generation. And I'm telling you guys now, 2025 is the year to develop script writing skills, storytelling skills. If you can get good at telling a good story online, you will make a lot of money because you can retain people. People will continuously be interested and keep watching and watching. And the longer you can keep people on your video, the longer you keep people on your channel, the more money you're going to make because YouTube will reward you. At the end of the day, YouTube has one goal. It's just to keep people on the platform watching content. If you contribute to that goal, you will get compensated. It's really that simple. I promise you. All right. The next thing is voiceovers. And luckily, again, we're in 2025. You don't have to hire a voiceover anymore. You don't have to go to Fiverr, Upwork and hire these people. There are hyper-realistic, human-like voiceovers that are available for fractions, for pennies online that you can use and supplement voiceovers for your videos. So I suggest going to 11 Labs or Artlist or any of these AI platforms. Again, links will be in my community for all the platforms, paid and free, and using those to create the videos. And the last step is editing. All right, we don't use AI for editing. That's for sure. We don't want to compromise this. The editing part is super important. We do hire out from Upwork, from Fiverr, from Online Jobs PH. These are incredible platforms to find quality editors. I strongly recommend using Upwork. And again, if you go to my school community, you can see the exact step-by-step process that I use to hire all of my teams. You can go over to team building. I give you a huge rundown of exactly how to hire them. I give you the job templates, hiring procedures. All of it is literally for free. And as you can see here, I have some resources that you guys can see. So finding viral videos and then choosing some viral niches. Now, this is obviously an oversimplification of the process, but it should give you definitely something to think about. But realize this, guys, one video, 20 minutes long equals one asset and years of income. All right. One video that you create, duration of 20 minutes long. All right. Even 10 minutes long, 8 minutes long is an asset that lives online, that never gets taken down. That is literally a perpetual income machine that exists for you, where you're able to continue making money on a passive level because these videos continue to work for you. So if you haven't contemplated YouTube as one of the business models to have in your arsenal, to have an income stream, even if it's supplementing or replacing your income, you absolutely need to look in that direction today. So if you want to learn for free without charging $1, you can join my free school community. If you want to work with me directly, there will be another link under the description of this video where you can book a call. So yes, it is a paid investment to work with us. We give you a plethora of tools and support to guarantee success. But again, if you're trying to accelerate that learning curve, make sure you make no mistakes and we want to work with us personally. Again, book a call with us directly. Otherwise, if you want to consume our free stuff, which is phenomenal as is, first link in the description will take you straight to my free school community. I'll see you guys there and I'll see you on the next video.